Hey you guys, it's Molly. I'm painting over an old canvas that I just did a few days ago, and I liked the concept, but I did not like the outcome, and I'll explain that a little bit. So I'm using the Arteza paints again. I'll list all the colors below, but these are just a few of them. So anyway, I'll list the colors below, but this pearl, not the pearl golden hour, the pearl copper gold ended up staying on top, and it was gorgeous in the sunlight, but it looked just kind of murky brown it was so predominant. I just didn't care for it. I am doing a technique that Kanella Ciraco had come up with, where it's two puddles and you blow them out and it kind of looks like a butterfly. It's just very, very pretty. So I think I'm gonna I'm using all my Arteza colors are mixed 1 part paint to 2 parts floetrol. And my white is Winsor Galleria. It's pretty runny. It's a little bit thicker than I usually do, so I'll see what reaction I get. If my white is very thin, then it will kind of swallow the colors as it goes to the edge. So I thickened it up just a little bit to see if I could hold that a little bit more. So I'm gonna start with blue right there, blue right there, and I'll get a little bit of white down here so that that color can travel a little bit more. And then I liked the kind of purple that was made, so I'm gonna use this. This pink is a really, really pretty pink. Let me see, what's this one called? Pink Tulip. And then I've got Amaranth Red, which is really pretty too. It's like this peachy color. So I'm not gonna do the pearlescent on top, and I'm not gonna do a ton of it. I'm gonna put it just right there. Then I'll do a little bit of yellow. And then I'll do a little bit of this peach color on top. I'm not gonna put any silver or brown in this. The copper I think should be enough. Maybe 1 little dab of copper on top. Copper gold. Okay. So now I'm gonna pour around both of those, and I'm gonna blow it out and we'll see what happens. You guys make sure you check out my Pinterest and check out my Instagram page. Find me on social media so that we can talk, and if you have any issues, you can always feel free to contact me. Let me pop the air bubbles real quick. So this will kind of be an experiment of a little bit thicker white paint. We'll see what happens. I'm assuming I'm not gonna get the same cells as I blow, but we'll see. Ooh, the metallic paints, wow. Whew. Let's see if you guys can. Can you guys see what's going on there? Okay, so I was wrong about that part. Those pearlescent and metallic paints, whew. Even with the thicker white base, they reacted really cool. I hope that that shows up because I'm loving those colors that way. Like a pastel. I don't want to lose those cells, so I'm going very slow, if you'll notice. And I'm angling my blow dryer so as to not completely kill the colors. So if you guys are having issues, then it might just be the angling of your Oh my gosh, yeah. Wow, you guys, this palette is so soft. I really, really like this. This is exactly what I wanted. I'm so happy. I'll take you around so you guys can see it. Sorry, my workstation's a little dirty. Please don't judge me. Okay, so there, those copper cells are gonna turn out great, I think. There's tons of cells here in the middle. Some people had asked me, what if I want to do this without cells? I would tell you, don't put as much water and try some gloss medium, because the gloss medium seems to retard cells for me. But look at that center. And this is going to dry, I'm hoping, kind of pearlescent metallic colors. But I really like the way all the colors mix together. That's really, the color's not showing up. That's not orange, that's like pink. So it's not really showing up. I really, really like this. I love the soft colors. Yay. Really, really like it. I'm happy. I'm glad I redid it. All right, you guys, so check out the dried result on my social media. You guys contact me if, ooh, I almost dropped the phone in the painting. Oh, man. All right. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Love all of you. All right. Happy painting. Bye.